Welcome everyone. Welcome. Hold on. The camera is not on. Now it's on. Hey everybody. Good morning. Welcome on this beautiful London session. Starting out. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Oh man. How's everyone doing? How is everyone? Laura, good morning. I still love your name. All right. Looking fresh, looking energized. So, fresh week. Fresh start. Everything is fresh. I just had a shower as well, so that's cool. And everything is great. So let's start the week fresh. Dark Cloud, hey there. Welcome everyone. Hello. Yeah, I'm doing okay. Hope you guys are doing okay too, Bernard, and everyone else. Okay. Nothing is gonna happen. I mean, news-wise today, as you guys see, we have this. What the hell is this? German CPI. Who knows what the hell? But anyways, we have nothing else today, news-wise. So push those like button. Push the like button. Yeah, push the like button, guys. So what I like to say is, we do have some buy sides up there, but otherwise, we also left with a new week opening gap at the Sunday open, which is still partially open below 900, actually 852-ish area. Good morning, George. The construction is still going, so trust me, I'll update you guys. So right now we have targets on both sides. We have a buy side liquidity at 968. If you go to the 1 hour chart, let me show you. I know there's too many lines here, but the first low hanging fruit, if you look to the left on the upside, is on the 17th of April, which was a Wednesday, and the high of the candle on the hourly, there's a swing high, is 968. So that could be a potential buy side target. Above that, we have another one at 988. We have the 18K, and we also have some more buy sides order blocks to the left. But first, the low hanging fruit is 968, and we just seeing a kind of a reversal here, which is interesting. Trader G, good morning. Good morning. So we do see a reversal-ish thingy happening. Swept some highs here from Sunday, right? Yeah, Sunday highs have been swept. Who knows? Maybe it wants to go down back to the weave up, or maybe all the way down to the new week opening gap. Now, I was backtesting over the weekend a lot, and actually not just this weekend, but before that too. And not doing anything special, but I might just want to implement, or just want to trade a little bit of, well, maybe a little bit more scalping. So I might going to use the 9 and the 21 EMA for that, in conjunction with the stochastic, but haven't decided yet. So I guess we'll see. That's it. Otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, that's it. Nothing special. So I'm looking to do more scalping, especially on the evaluation accounts. Should be passing those evaluation accounts much faster, much faster than before. All right. Now let's see what is happening. We did have a potential market structure shift, so that looks good. I do like it. I like it very much. Let's see. Do I have any orders still open? I think I have a limit order somewhere. All right. Yeah, this should be better. So I'm looking for, I'm not in a trade, but I'm looking for a possible short entry. I don't know, maybe it's too early to do. Not sure, but maybe it's too early. We'll see. What are you guys up to? So as I was saying, I might gonna do some more scalping, maybe a little bit, and maybe, just maybe, what I'm gonna do on this MyFundedFuture. Oh, I entered too late. Anyway, on this MyFundedFutures evaluation account is I might gonna try to scalp this one down there. It's a little bit risky, yeah, but I try. Blue 4 evals and passed 1 with copy trader. Oh, well, you have to be careful with the copy trading. It's not so when you're copy trading, especially between multiple prop firms, you gotta make sure that the connection is okay. You gotta, I used to do like limit orders, just filling in limit orders and checking if the orders are there, or if you're trading with bigger size, then maybe try a probe trade with 1 micro, a scalp maybe. Sometimes it helps. Gotta make sure. Delay used to happen when there's a connection issue through Rhythmic. I had that, unfortunately, as well. So yeah, not a good deal. That's not a good thing. That's for sure. Birds are singing outside the window. All right. You know what? If this trade goes against me right there, then it should take me out from that position. So as I was saying, more scalp trades, and mostly on the evaluation account, so not on the fundeds yet, but I'm gonna be checking it. I'm gonna be tracking my results, and for scalping I'm going to use, good morning Serdar, I'm gonna be using the 9 and the 21 EMA along with the classic ICT 2022 model, which I still use for my entries, and that's it. Yep, Yep, it's still a little bit sketchy here. Let me check. Okay. No, good morning. How's everybody? How you doing? The weekend was great. I slept as much as I could. I was cooking some good food as well. And yeah, it was okay. It was okay. Don't forget, guys, we're gonna do the giveaway on Wednesday or Thursday, and then the next giveaway starts off right then. So every week a giveaway. You can still enter. There's a link in the description. I mean, sorry, not the description, in the pin message up there. You can fill it out. You can earn some points by completing some tasks and giving away 50k evaluation account. It's gonna be a cash prize, so it's going to be handled through PayPal or debit card transfer or international bank wire. No crypto. I'm not doing crypto for now. Morning, Oliver. How's it going? Hey, I like the name. Oh, it's you, Naga. All right, you changed your name. I like that. Like, I like it. All right. Well, trying to scalp this short might not gonna turn out good, but it's only like micros. I think I'm risking around 50 bucks on the evaluation account, so not a big deal. And might gonna look for the next one. So, yeah. Nothing is really moving. I was hoping that we're gonna go back down to reprice at least these lows below 900, and we have a new week opening gap down there as well. Swept some highs here, you know, time for some retest of the lows at least, but it's not happening. Look at pound yen, crazy movement. Yeah, I'm not really looking the yen pairs. I don't even know if I have it on. I don't have it on yet, so it's, yeah, the Bank of Japan is always doing some crazy stuff. Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, the pound dollar also moved a little bit too. Being patient, don't like this price action. Howdy Trader Oracle, how you doing? Yeah, London Open would be the best play to wait for. So I was also backtesting Asia session with scalping, and I had fairly good results, but you know, the backtesting doesn't mean anything. It's just, you know, good for collecting information, but definitely not representing the real results. The only gap is in between years. Yeah, I have a huge gap there. No. Well, I also took this trade on one Apex account. Where is it? It's on this one. Yeah, this one. It's on this account. So it's basically a scalp trade. I don't know what you guys can see from this. But might not turn out good. Only with 4 micros. Again, I'm risking like 50 bucks on this one. This is the probe trade. Only a few points risk. Looking for it to make new low, but seems like it won't. So yeah. Or maybe it will, who knows. Morning, Mihails. Yes, I'm looking for buys, but first I'd like to see if we get down to the new week opening gap. I highly doubted that it's gonna happen today. I think we're gonna push higher. Next buy side is 968 up there on the hourly. If you look to the left and you go to the 17th of April, you're gonna see a nice swing high at 968. It could be pushing higher. I think overall the market is still bullish. Right now I'm just waiting if this one might be sweeping some liquidity from below these swings or below the 900s. So this is just a scalp trade. That's it for now. It's a little bit more aggressive. I decided I'm gonna go a little bit more aggressive on the evaluation accounts. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm also short on fair value gap and the TP in the low of Asia. Yeah. So the one okay, yeah, 18,056. Okay. So going above 18K. Yeah, so as I said, for today my bias is to go for 968, but of course we can go higher as well. This would be just a liquidity sweep that I'm trying to scalp here. Well, it's not really a scalp trade. I guess we can say that, but it's not really. But let's just say that, okay? Because yeah, as you can see, it's just turning around. I thought that we're gonna sweep this swing low, or maybe even go below the midnight open. Seems like it doesn't really want to do that. And this is the 30-second chart, by the way. And it's going against me. Well, it's fine. Stop is only at 3 points, 4 points. So it's not sweeping that low yet. Yeah, it's teasing, definitely. But this is typically the scenario when it wants to go, but then it's just boom, goes higher and squeezes a little bit more before it sweeps the lows. But let's just leave it for now. Oliver says, hi, I can't find information about fee in the pro account on Take Profit Trader. Do you have some precisions? Unfortunately not. I wish I could. I mean, I was reading some stuff on their website too, but I haven't been really able to trade with them recently. Although I do have an affiliate link with them, but I don't want to say anything stupid because I don't really know their rules right now and the fees. I mean, I know the rules, but most of the rules, but I'm not sure. Olivier. I don't have any info on that one, not yet at least. But I will trade. I do want to trade with some more prop firms. Well, not too many because I don't want to have like 10 prop firms. What are you currently trading? I'm currently trading the Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq, right here. Here you can see better. It's on TradingView. Micro Nasdaq, and this is on an Apex evaluation account. On the funded account, I'm not trading today. This morning, at least, this London session, I'm not trading, only on the evaluation account, and I'm trying to scalp a little bit. On the BULENOX funded account, I'm up $310. On the TOPSTEP funded account, I'm up $1,285. And on the Apex funded account, where is it? I'm only up $200. Yes, so that's what we're trying to do. No fee on Rec Pro with discount. Oh, good news for Forex Trader. TOPSTEP X now offers currencies. Currency bonds. Oh, look at that. They really want to push TOPSTEP X. That's good. That's good. On the micro Nasdaq, you don't have these huge gaps. Well, depends on which gap you're saying, because we do have the new week opening gap down here. I also pointed it out. This was the Sunday open down there, so we do have a gap. It's a little bit different. I mean, 99.9% the same as the mini, of course, but we do see a little bit of difference in the small gaps because of the volatility. Come on, because of the volume, not volatility, I guess that too, but because of the difference in volume. So there is a little bit of difference. Like, for example, this is micro and this is mini. Micro, anyway, technically the same. I really wanted this scalp to work out, but it's just not. It's not working out as it should. I might want to exit from this trade. I don't like this. It's hovering for too long. Could be good for a liquidity sweep. Or maybe I could put it to break even. I'm closing it down. Closed it manually because this is the area where there is some profit taking. It just pops back right up. So we don't have enough volume. That's the problem. But it's okay. This trade is still on MyFundedFutures evaluation. It just took the take profit, so that's great. Not too much profit, $56 in profit. This is a MyFundedFutures evaluation account, up almost 50. I lost a little bit on Friday. I was at 51,700 something, I don't know, and then I lost like $130, something like that. Anyway, this was just a scalp. Oh, you guys don't see it, right? Yeah, you see it. Okay. By the way, guys, out of my NQ short, so it should work out for you. Sorry for the cast, no problem. Nice. By the way, guys, this is the last 2 days, today and tomorrow, to grab your MyFundedFutures. I just bought 2 MyFundedFutures account for myself as well. The cheapest activation and evaluation fees in the market. Well, one of the cheapest. For example, a 50K account, if you pass it in 30 days, you can get the funded account for $100. This is one of the best deals MyFundedFuture made, really. So if I were you, I would grab it. And also Apex and BULENOX is ending up the sale today and tomorrow. And with Apex, just as with MyFundedFutures, it's lifetime discount. Yes, I stack him up until I'm not passing it. So for example, if I blow a evaluation account, for example on Apex or MyFundedFutures, I don't cancel the subscription. Just an example. I wait for the next rebuild because I'm gonna get the same discount, and I try once more. But I stacked up, yeah, more evaluation accounts with this price. It's a no-brainer. I also have blown Apex accounts. I'm not canceling them. I'm just gonna wait for the rebuild because I'm sure I'm gonna get the same discount price in next month. So that's cool. Okay. BULENOX only gives you the discount for the first month. So be careful with that. If you blow your BULENOX account, make sure to cancel the subscription or terminate the account, because they're going to charge you again next month with the full price. So no lifetime discount at BULENOX, okay? With the 90% sale. Apex and MyFundedFutures and TOPSTEP gives you lifetime discounts for that account until you pass. And $50 for an activation on a MyFundedFutures starter account. 50K account. So even if you pass the account in 2 months, you're gonna get the activation fee for $50. Now, that's a good deal, in my opinion. Can you cancel it and buy another account with the discount? Yeah. Today and tomorrow. So you can cancel it, and until tomorrow midnight, you can buy, of course, as many as you want, and that's fine. I'm sure there are going to be some more sales next month. I don't know what. Nobody knows yet. Hopefully they will release some more info. But so far, these are the best ones we had, and that's why, Oh, thank you so much. Best DJ in town. Awesome. Thank you. Oh yeah, if you guys want to grab them and support the stream, just use my links and codes. I would appreciate that very much. Also, I know we're not talking too much about TOPSTEP, but if you want to grab an additional 20% discount, just use the link I have and register for a new account, and you're going to have an additional 20% discount for any of the accounts, and a 50% discount for your first reset. Just use the link. That's simple. It is. Definitely 100 lot, and I really say this for everyone. Grab at least one or two MyFundedFutures 50K accounts are the best deals, guys. If you don't pass it in 30 days, you're still good. You're gonna get the $50 activation fee. It's lifetime discount, so you don't have to hurry. If you blow the account in your first month, leave the subscription. If you get rebuilt, you get the and you get a free reset, by the way, when you buy the account, just saying. And if you blow it again, just wait for the next rebuild. You're still gonna have statistically a cheaper price if you pass the account with $50. So that's a no-brainer. That's why I say, like, MyFundedFutures is really killing the market right now with this, with the starter. And you don't need more than 2 minis anyway, or 20 micros. Absolutely no need for more. Really the best deals right now. All right. So this one got the low over here. Let's see what else we have. Hey Prasad, good morning. I'm doing great. How are you? Oh, thank you. Thank you, 100 lot. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Well, I do have to aim to get some payouts from trading, you know. Yeah, lifetime for $50 is great. Absolutely. And the activation fee stays $50. So whenever you pass that account, you are getting the activation fee for $50 because you bought it with under the sale on this period. So that's a no-brainer to activate your account for $50. Isham, good morning. Oh Jesus, Isham, I didn't activate. I did upgrade the Discord. I made a free server, but I'm gonna post that in the community tab, the invite, and to the invite link. No, I have it. I worked on it a little bit, actually. I'm gonna post the invitation link to the community tab on YouTube and Twitter, or X, so we can chat a little bit and share some ideas. Isn't MyFundedFutures 2 weeks wait payout withdrawal? Like, how many days do we have to trade the request payout? They have a 14-day withdrawal. So every 14-day calendar days, not business days. So 14 calendar days. So twice in a month. Twice in a month. Minimum trading day is 1 trade per week on the funded accounts. So 1 trade per week. And how many days do we have to trade to request a payout? Yes, so there's minimum 1 trading day, but you have to flip the account just as the other prop firms require you to in many cases, because there was a little bit of a rumble online and also on Discord. Hey, Mesopeti, that they denied the trader, and it got viral on YouTube and on Reddit, that they denied a $33,000, no, actually a $33,000 payout and a $21,000 or something. Actually, the guy was spamming my YouTube as well with the link to his video, but the video got taken down. MyFundedFutures paid him $11K, I think, $11,000. But I checked the story. The thing is that, of course, on the fine print, where nobody looks, you have to trade at least once a week on the funded account at MyFundedFutures. So the guy made a good day or a few very good trades and left the account and didn't trade on it for almost 14 days or something. I don't know. He didn't flip the account, and of course they denied the payout, but eventually he got 11K. And the other one, they denied the payout for $33,000, but they refunded all his fees and everything, because he was not trading on his own name. He was trading on someone else's name. That's why they denied it. They said it was a KYC fraud, because the person who was trading the account was not the person who was registered with the KYC. And also, more accounts have been established on the same IP address. That's what they said. That's why it got denied. So these are the two payouts from MyFundedFutures that got denied so far, and that's it. And yeah, he is actually yeah, rules are rules. I think MyFundedFutures was quite generous in this situation. They didn't ban him or anything. He got $11,000 because he didn't flip the account once every week, and he was just waiting for a payout for 2 weeks, and he still got payout. And so he took down the video, but it was viral for 2 days. But then he took down the video. Rules are rules, guys. I mean, every prop firm has their own rules. We just have to go with them, and that's it. I mean, but to take money from him is okay, just until you must get paid. Yeah, yeah, you're right, AS. Of course, prop firms are taking our money, and that's true. At the end of the day, if you're trading with prop firms and you give your money to them for activation fees and evaluation, at the end of the day, I guess the thing that matters is, one, are you profitable? And if you are profitable, do you really know the rules? So I always say, go dive into the fine print on every prop firm. Do your research, especially if you're getting closer to your funded account, just to make sure you don't mess up anything there, because it could go very sketchy if things get out of hand. Make sure you know all the rules, because yeah. But I agree. I mean, yeah. Scammers, all of them, will clean them all. Yeah. Yeah, so what is the new setup? Oh yeah, nothing special on the new setup. I said this morning when I started the stream that I might going to do more scalping. I'm not trading on the funded account this London session, so I did a lot of back testing, not just this weekend, but the previous weekend and before that. A lot of back testing with exponential moving averages, because it's also in my course. But anyway, let's leave it that. With exponential moving averages, And I went down to the 30-second time frame too. This is the 30-second, by the way, and I needed some kind of an oscillator down there. Let that be RSI or stochastic. So this is the stochastic momentum index down there. Not that it matters too much. I'm mostly checking on the YouTube ICT YouTube 2022 model here as well. And I was just looking for some scalp trades. And on the evaluation accounts, I'm trying to be more aggressive. I don't want to waste too much time. So I might going to look into scalping more on the evaluations. On the 30-second chart, there should be at least 1 or 2 setups every single session, both in the London kill zone and both in the New York AM and or PM session too. And in the London session, these setups are usually 5 to 10 points on Nasdaq. And of course, in New York session, these can be like way more, 20 points-ish on average. And so I thought that, you know, why not? Why not try to scalp? The entry model is still the same. Nothing has changed on my end. I'm not strategy hopping. I still use the concepts. I still go with smart money. I just went down to smaller time frame and checking the exponential moving averages. That's all. Nothing special. Trend lines. Sometimes I use trend lines. Yeah. Trend lines is also part of it, depending if I'm really looking for a reversal, a change in the trend. But yes, so it's a little bit like discretionary trading, because scalping, I mean, I think scalping is, I mean, you can say it's scalping and it has its own rules, but I think it's discretionary trading. You know, whoever is scalping, you are trading on your, a little bit on, based on your feeling, based on your personal conviction about the market bias, you know. So it's a little bit discretionary. I cannot say to you that, okay, if it crosses here and here, you enter here. No, it's a little bit more than that. You have to be aware of some levels. You have to do more chart time. For example, I do like these tops here at 9:11. Look at that. At 9:11 on the 30-second charts, I do like that. That's a nice one. That's a good target. But so far, I don't see it moving that way. So far, I think we could be moving way below the 900. First stop 892 or 91, and then go even lower to 76. So what this means on my end, if I see a shift or a continuation, as I would say, to the downside with a nice shift, I would jump in for another short. Who knows? But the market is about to open soon. So, hey, Messapetti. Oh, get your friend to come live stream. The one that uses the trend lines. Yeah, maybe. maybe. I will ask him. Good morning, Mary. Love the short of the pullback into the displacement earlier. Yeah. So guys, don't forget it. We're gonna do a giveaway on Wednesday or Thursday. I don't even know. So check out the pin message in the chat. You can subscribe as well. 50K evaluation account is gonna be a cash prize. So I would say that we're going to do it through PayPal or debit card transfer or international wire transfer. These are going to be the options, but don't miss your chance. You can earn some points by completing some tasks. How are you doing, Mary? How was your weekend? It was okay. It was fine. I was taking some walks. Guys, I'm really having problems losing weight. Last week I tried to eat not too much carbs and no sweets, but on the weekend I was having a lot of, anyway, I had no sweets, but I was eating like a pig on the weekend. That's just very bad. I have to do something. I have to do something about this. I have to start the diet seriously. Doing good. 1:44 a.m. At my here is 8:45. 8:45 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, I enjoy my weekends pretty much. I like to cook, by the way. You guys, you wouldn't believe what I cooked over the weekend. Do you guys want to see what I cooked on the weekend? I think I have a picture. I made it myself. This is exactly the picture. I think I have it here because I sent it over to my father. What's the name of it? Ribs. Yeah, it was ribs. Okay, yeah, it was ribs. It was awesome. Oh, there you go. So this is what I cooked on the weekend. Guys, this is ribs. This is some potato, some vegetables, and, you know, these are the ribs here. Rib 1, rib 2, rib 3. A lot of onion, vegetables, potato, and, you know, this is how it goes. This is how I do it. I just put it to the oven, and that's how simple it is. I like to cook. Yeah. You had same? All right. Yeah, it's very good. And also, I almost bought a puppy. I mean, look at this. I almost bought this one, but I didn't. I almost bought this puppy. Well, he was so nice, you know, but I had to leave. I couldn't I couldn't take him because it's, you know, I'm just not ready for a puppy like this. But I almost took him. Burn more calories than you eat. Yeah, that's the problem. Eat less calories. Yeah, it really is. Sounds simple. Yeah. So I almost got this little fella, but I left him because too much responsibility. I just but look at him. Anyway. I don't have the it's too much responsible. I can't. I really have too much going on in my life, and you know, taking care of a doggy like this one, that would be I can't. He will help you to lose weight when we'll be begging for food. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Exactly. And I can take him to a walk, and then I will lose weight too, right? Big walks, lose weight together with the doggy. We're stuck here, guys. Nothing is happening. Somebody turned off Nasdaq officially. Just saying, somebody turned off the Nasdaq. What is happening? By the way, guys, I hope this cutie puppy helped me to collect some likes. If it didn't, if it didn't, then please push the like button. Oh, look at this. Maybe somebody turned on Nasdaq finally. Finally, or maybe not. I do like this movement. The thing is that, oh wow, look at that. Maybe we're gonna go down to 91. But I don't know. Not sure. $91.75 maybe. Don't know. Maybe a little higher. Okay, I'm trying to scalp this with micros, of course. Oh, there you go. It was nice. Marco, good morning. I don't have orders. All right. This was a good one. This was a fast scalp. I did like it very much. Yeah. So this was the scalp here. Yeah, these are the trades we all love, guys. That's why I'm saying, like, I was backtesting a lot of this, mostly on the 30-second chart, and I'm not saying that now I'm gonna be a good scalper, because eventually, I mean, I'm not a good scalper yet. But that's why I thought that maybe on the evaluation accounts I should be doing some more. And so that's what I'm trying to do. A little bit more scalping. I always trade on TradingView, but I've been looking for how to put stop loss and TP on TradeAway, and I haven't found a video. I'm going to show you the easiest way. The easiest way is to use a TradeAway trader in the background. So I use this on this MyFundedFutures evaluation, and I put the trade on the TradeAway trader. It's much more smoother. It's better, and that's it. I don't like to trade through TradingView, so I think it's not so good. Hey Naz, how you doing? Pretty lame YouTube. What? Pretty lame YouTube still is shadow banning you. I always have to type in your full name. I'm shadow banned. Damn it. I will try ringing the bell to see if thank you, Naz. Tom, do you think Apex will keep running the 80% discount for them? I don't know, DM. Good question. I think they will come up with something. Maybe they will run it. I mean, pretty much the whole year. This year they were doing it. So the standard was 71% so far, so I'm guessing that they still gonna have the 71% discount. So I think that I think there will be 80%. I think so far Apex did it in almost every month. Thanks, buddy. Well, it's this is just my personal opinion. I mean, go with Trader or TS Trader or whatever it's called, and mine is also connected with TradingView, but I put the trades with TS Trader. FXMO, hey, good morning. Good morning. How is everybody doing? Okay. We need the Apex 90% back. They'll make lots of money, yeah. Although I'm not too fond of the monthly refill higher than the 80%. Yeah, I mean, I think they should do. I mean, they did the 90% sale once every 3 or 4 months, as far as I can remember. So I think there will be a 90% sale, hopefully, but I'm just guessing. Maybe, yeah, Erkan, yeah. Next big discount probably on Memorial Day, on May or Independence. I think there should be a big discount, yeah. Independence Day or somewhere around that, there should be some good discounts coming on. Tom, do you know how to increase the font size of the price labels on of the brackets in Quant Tower? Oh, well, that's a good question. Well, you go to settings and you know, oh wow, I wish I could tell you. View data style, no. Time scale. There's an appearance time scale. You can vary the font size, price scale, appearance, price scale. There's an appearance tab. I never went into these settings before, so I don't know. Although I'm using Quant Tower since quite a few months now, but I never went into these settings. Should be here somewhere. Info window. There you go, info window. You should be playing with the settings here. Right click on the chart settings and there are some windows you can play with. Guys, if you haven't did it already, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be some giveaways too. You're unable to find it. Oh, I'm gonna look into it as well, maybe later. Market is about to open, guys, pretty soon. And if you would like to support the channel and the stream, please use my links and codes to purchase some of these discounts. I must say that MyFundedFutures is giving so far the best sale ever. So only today and tomorrow you can stack up a few accounts if you want to, and it's lifetime discount. All right, London opened. Let's see if we have some moves here. So far it's shifting up. Wonder, do they ring the bell for London Open as well? I don't know. I don't know how they do it in London. Might as well look after it. Am I gonna? Okay. Oh, Methodical Man sent you here. Is this streaming? Let me check. Where is he? He's not streaming. Or was he? No. Maybe he's lurking in the background. Thank you for being here. Oh, you watch his channel. All right. Thank you so much for being here, Janel. Thank you. Yeah, Methodical Man actually helped me a lot throughout this way in the streams and everything, you know, in trading. I don't like MyFundedFutures. The 40% rule is horrible. If you are not a day trader or can't trade 1-2 days, you can. Yeah. Well, the 40% consistency rule. It depends on your trading habits, and it depends on what size you're trading with and what is your trading strategy, I guess. I have 104,000 customers. Wow, every month with one account. What? Apex have 140,000 customers. They make a huge amount of money with that. They make a huge amount. Wow. They are killing the market. If you have 1-2 days only break even, then the same issue. Yeah, I mean, the 40% consistency rule, as I said, it depends on your strategy and what size you're trading with. There could be losing days, of course. There could be break-even days. So yeah, I understand, absolutely. And that's why, for me, it doesn't matter because I trade small. It puts a heavy weight on how much are you risking or trading per day. With the link to this YouTube video of this older spiritual teacher guide from your country who I swear looks like you. But if you were like, sir, really? 40% rule is not a bad thing. Even 30% rule is not a bad thing. Let me check it. I mean, again, depends on your strategy. It looks like me, yeah. I'm gonna check that out. I'm gonna check that out later. I'm gonna check it out later. Sorry, bro. He does. It's scary, man. Yeah, Apex has a 30% rule. Yeah, but again, I don't mind it because if I make, for example, you have to. Let me put this simple: the consistency rule. Okay, and this is very important, I think, to understand why it shouldn't really bother you. I have no issue with the consistency rule because, for example, on the MyFundedFutures, let's stay with MyFundedFutures. Your target, for example, on a 50K account is to make, for example, $3,100, so $3,100. Okay, so that's the goal, and you want to take out $1,000 minimum. Okay, I know the minimum is like $500, so the goal is to take out $1,000, which means let me get a calculator. Which means you have to, your biggest winning day should not be bigger than $1,240, right? So that should be your biggest winning day. You can have losing days, you can have break-even days, no matter, right? When you get to that target, the consistency rule, so if you make like $1,000 a day on a 50K funded account, you should be walking away. If you make $600 on a day on a 50K funded account, you should be walking away or trade with a different account. That's how I would do it. So, yeah. Yeah, so Josef is saying that they are forcing you to take positions. Yes, they're forcing you to take trades because most likely every prop firm wants you to trade on your account. Apex wants you to trade. TOPSTEP wants you to trade on your accounts. BULENOX wants you to trade on your accounts. Every prop firm is forcing you to trade on your accounts. MyFundedFutures denied payout because the guy was making a huge day and was waiting 14 days not trading. TOPSTEP denied payouts. So MyFundedFutures, TOPSTEP denied payout for the same reason. I have proof of that. The guy made huge day. So all of them are doing the same. But, you know, MyFundedFutures has a 14-day calendar day payout periods. I mean, anyway, if you have a profit goal for $3,000, then you got to make sure that you're not making more than $1,200 on any given day, right? That's the only thing you have to aim for. Because I promise you, if you will be on your funded account, you are not going to want to make more. If you're already on $500 in profit or $600 in profit on your 50K funded account, you're not going to want to go for more. And if you want to go for more, you're obviously it's exposing yourself to more risk, and you're exposing your profits to be giving back to the market. And by that, I'm just saying that the consistency rule doesn't really matter. So anyway, I'm not saying it's something we should avoid, because if someone is trading high stakes, of course, I understand. But risk management wise, if you make $1,000, leave the account, continue to trade with another account. That's how simple it is. That's all how simple it is. Yeah, I understand you, Joseph. Yeah. Make more money. Make more money. All right, something is happening. A little bit of a shift here. Maybe to the upside. Let's see. I know that if I make $500, it's just an example. If I make $400 or $500, if I would make $400 or $500 on a funded account, I would be closing the account for the day. That's for sure. I would not, for the 50K account, I would not go for the 1,000 or the 1,200, whatever. Why would I push it? Why would I risk it to give it back to the market? But that's different for every person, and that's why I understand. Some traders don't like the consistency rule, and that's why the expert account is a good deal for them. Only for PA accounts, right? Because yeah, it's only for PA accounts. Yes, exactly. Yeah, the intraday trailing is also not a bad thing if you think about it, because it locks in after $2,100. And nobody is thinking furthermore. You guys are thinking about consistency rule. I mean, not you guys, obviously, but many traders are thinking about consistency rule, how to pay tax, you know, what to do when I do $10,000 in profit and blah, blah, blah. But you're thinking too far, and you're seeing the intraday trailing stop as something that is going to be there forever, but it's not going to stay there, because obviously if you want to pay tax, if you're taking out those profits, you're way over your lock-in limit. So that is going to lock in at the base capital. So your account is technically going to be a static account, right? Yeah. Yeah, I know what you're saying. What? 50K, 30%? What? Something you're counting something very bad, József. Valamit nagyon rosszul nézel, mert az 50K-nak 30% az 15 000, de itt most a profitról beszélünk a consistency rule-nál. Tehát nem az alaptőkéről. Remélem nem úgy érted. Anyway. Yeah, hopefully it rejects the 200 EMA. Tom, what is the blue and beige line on the 32nd? This is a 21 EMA and the 9 EMA. Not that I'm using it specifically, I'm just looking for it as trend. That's it. EMAs. These are just EMAs, nothing special. But I do have your favorite down here, your so let me make this clear, József. Do you know what the consistency, I mean, no offense, just do you know exactly what the consistency rule means? Because you wrote about 30% is 50K on a 15K on a 50K account. That's not the consistency rule you're applying at. 40% or 30% consistency rule is about the profits, not the base capital. I don't know what was that you wrote there. I hope you're... Maybe I misunderstood. The 40% consistency rule is for the profit between the payout period. I mean, not between the payout period, but you know, for the profits. Nem a megvásárolt tőkére van, csak is a profitra. Csak is a profitra vonatkozik a consistency rule. A tőkének semmi köze a consistency rulehoz. Abszolút semmi köze. Semmi. Az égvilágon. Tehát ha $3000 a célod, akkor annak a 40%-a $1200. $1200-nál ne legyen erősebb napod. Ennyire kell csak koncentrálni. Semmi másra. Állj meg $1200-nál, és semmi probléma nincs. Alright, anyway. Alright. We are still looking for some continuation. Maybe we go down to... We go down to the new week opening gap. I don't know. It seems like it wants to. It's not far, actually. It can go. To the left, we have some sell side at 77. So, yeah. It can actually go there. Yeah, exactly, Moody. Exactly. London goes for the Asia low. Could be. I mean, I don't even know where Asia low is right now. We have the Sunday lows. Asia low. Well, yeah. So we have the Sunday lows here. Technically Asia lows. Could be. But on the upside, we also see that we have a buy side liquidity at 968. If you look to the left and you look to the 17th of April on Wednesday, there is a buy side on the 1 hour. No idea yet. I think we're gonna be having some kind of a little bit of a choppy session, most likely. But let's just wait for it and see what goes on. It's not over yet. Plus 22. Oh, nice. Camille, come on. You're paying for everything. Just a second. Quick phone call. Tom, you will see with SMA how 30-second goes oversold pullback mean the wild trade. It's still valid on the M1, M2, right? Mark Douglas said it the best. Price action is the action. Where's trading? Yeah. Yeah. Time frame all around the world. Yeah, I get it. Absolutely. We're still waiting, guys. Nothing special is happening for now. You add another contract if we fall under 17,886. Well, could be. So far, it's choppy. High impact news this week. We should see some movements in the next coming days. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, federal funds rate. Don't forget it, guys. Federal funds rate. So guys, if you haven't done it already, please push the like button. If you can support the channel and the stream, push the like, subscribe to the channel. And let's push it to the moon. Also, grab your discounts. Today and tomorrow, almost all of these discounts are gonna end, except for TOPSTEP. But the best one so far with MyFundedFutures, I think I just bought 2 accounts more, and it's for lifetime. The activation fee is really good compared to other ones in the market. Apex also has the 80% lifetime, so that is also something that I would go with. I might try to scalp one more here, but I don't know. One more scalp maybe? Why not? Not the best risk to reward, but why not? You can't really be super precise with risk to reward on scalps, but TOPSTEP gives you an additional 20% if you register for a new account using the link. That's the only discount. So for example, a 150K account, you get 20% off from the current price. From $149, you get $30 down from the current price. That's the discount they have if you use the link and register for a new account. And 50% down from your first reset. I want to stay away from towards the end of the week. Yeah, FOMC and some earnings. Yeah, it can be frustrating. I know. This week could be a crazy one. Cut break even. Don't like the bounce. I mean, it could be just going sideways, as this trade most likely gonna spike me out here. Not a big deal. So just gonna wait. It's only 5 points, so I'm not really scared of this one. At least we know that we are going down from this area, right? Really cool to see you trying something new and tightening up that stop loss to get proper risk to reward. Well, it's not a proper risk to reward yet. It's barely 1-to-1, but it's scalping. This is scalping. This is my entry model is the same, but it's scalping and on the lower time frame to get some more action. I only do this with the evaluation accounts. So so how much is the 50K after discount? Well, you get $10 off from TOPSTEP, which means you get it for $40. The 50K account, you can get it for 40 bucks if you register with the new account. 40 bucks. Anyway, and by the way, guys, if anyone's new here, don't forget we're gonna have giveaway this week and next week too. There's a form up there in the pinned messages. If you sign it and do some tasks, also you can earn some points and increase your chance to win the giveaway 50K account. I wish it could be 50K, but 50K evaluation account. It's going to be a cash prize. I'm out from this. It's going to be a cash prize. And so I'm going to do it through PayPal, debit card transfer, or International Bank wire, just saying. That's the thing that's going on. All right, this was a tricky one. What do you mean by register with new account? No. You have to register. Sorry. You have to create a new account at TOPSTEP on the website. You have to register for a brand new account. If you already have one, then obviously this discount is not good for you. But you have to register for a new account on the website. That's the only discount they have since many time now, but it's okay. So yeah, so totally brand new account. Yeah, it's not allowed. That's why I'm saying for many users it's just a one-time option if you haven't been with TOPSTEP already. But also, you know, it's if someone is new, that's still something, you know, that's 20% off. TOPSTEP doesn't really do that many offers nowadays. They're really promoting TOPSTEP X, but not too many offers. Although they are a good company, I think they're okay. I do have funded account with them, but not too many great offers. If they do it, it's very rare. Hey Tom, how long does it take to pass your evaluation using the... depends on how many micros you're using or what kind of strategy you're using. For me, once it took almost 2 months, and the other time it took me like 2 weeks, but then I was going with, you know, I could have gone with minis because I was going with 8 or 10 micros most of the time, but that was because I was taking partial profits. So those are the factors that you have to consider. Look at that. I could have made it to my take profit almost, but it was nasty. It took me out. If you like to risk only 1 or 2 30 seconds M1 candles for more on the Nasdaq futures, then maybe we have the same trading style. Perfect entry. Well, so far it's pretty much sideways, guys, so not forcing anything here. I guess the market really has to decide where it wants to go next. Looks bearish to me. If I look at the 15-minute and the 5-minute, it does look bearish. I still like the idea of dropping down to the new week opening gap. So that is still something I'd like to see. We might be having a shift here. Actually, this is a shift. So I might gonna go aggressive here. I don't know. I don't know. Oh man, I went aggressive on this one. Maybe I shouldn't have. That's why I'm not really good in scalping. Yeah. Small gap. Aggressive entry. Right here. But I should not have taken this trade, man. Bob, good morning. Stop, have a problem. No, I never had TOPSTEP X before. I'm sorry. 2 contracts sell again. Looks like liquidity grab. Could be, but the problem is we didn't take out the high here, so I thought that this was an aggressive short, and now I might just going to close this trade. I don't know. I might gonna close it. I like the idea to go short too, but we don't know. It's not going to be enough. It's a trap. Yeah, it could be a trap. I'm thinking to close it actually. Yeah, I'm pretty much. I think I'm gonna close it. I couldn't go with a tighter stop, so I had to go with this. Time and price. Wait for that manipulation. After that accumulation. Yeah. On the same move. Yeah, I sold. Now I sold, but this is a scalp trade, and this evaluation account is dedicated for scalping right now. Yeah. Dude, don't think these indicators combos are okay to go both directions. to be able to want to use the power of using the view up EMA direction. The pro tip. I haven't seen. I'm not gonna close this trade. I closed it manually because it was not good for my. It was actually an early trade. I want to see. I want to see a much cleaner displacement. I might re-enter. I might going to re-enter the trade. I closed it on break even, so I'm okay. But I want to see a much cleaner displacement. I was too early on this. The moving averages were still pretty much collapsed together. And no trend. This candle on 331, I liked it as a kind of a displacement, but then I didn't like this move. So I'm back. It's fine. It's okay. Just a scalp. A little bit more action, you know. I think, sure. Yeah, I mean, as I said, I'm waiting for the displacement. Yeah, I'm waiting for a clean displacement, guys. Nasdaq will fuck you up like it did to me if you scalp just anything without being conservative and only picking the first scalp. That yeah, Naz, I understand. That's why I was a little bit early. I was doing a lot of back testing, not just not just this weekend, but way before then too. I'd like to be a good scalper because obviously everybody wants to, I mean, step into the market for a real short time and exit as soon as possible. And I think most of us are actually trying to be scalpers as day traders. So go in fast, exit fast, right? But if you look at this, it's pretty much just a little bit messed up. This is Quant Tower. This is Quant Tower right now. I'm using TradingView as well for charting, but because now I'm trying to scalp, I'm using Quant Tower. But obviously, Nasdaq is Nasdaq has been turned off officially. This is official, guys. I want it in abundance and fast too, yeah. 1 hot minute. Oh, now look at that. Something started to happen. Should I scalp this? Just a second. Most patient, best loser will become a professional. Yeah, patience is the best weapon a trader can have. Okay. That's it. 4 micros, and that's what I'm trying to scalp here. And take out maybe the highs up there. Okay, so this is my trade. Let's see if we can take out those highs above 900. The dog is barking, so that has to mean something. Do you have... Yeah, this is the 30-second right now. I'm trying to... not something new I didn't do before, because this entry was on my Discord before, and I was testing it a lot, but the conditions are not so idle right now, that's for sure. So this would be some kind of an entry criteria right there. I mean, not even perfect. Down there actually is better. Trying to take out those highs, because I think maybe everybody now really want to go short and they just want to squeeze one more. Who knows? A little bit of a trend picking up to the upside, not too much, not too heavy, but of course, as you see, it can turn around. Yeah, someone plugged it in back. Turned up, it goes up. Yeah. Yeah, the bark indicator, it's sometimes it's missing too, but it is something. Dog is barking. What? Oh no, it's gonna take me out. Well, I'm not risking too many on these trades because I'm on micros. So as you see, my average entry is 95. So I'm risking about 4.5 points. That's okay. Like the long. I told you, mate. Yeah. Any crossovers that happen in the middle of the SMI. Yeah. So much unless I'm already in with the runners. Yeah, I understand. I understand, Naz. Well, we'll see. If it takes me out here, I would sure like to see the continuation down. And I guess we will see the EMAs crossing down again right now. So this is a displacement. And let me delete this gap. I don't want this. Okay, this one. If it's repricing higher, then we might have to wait for a market structure shift below 89. Let me check it. Yeah, below 89. And then we'll see the rest. I could go with a little bit aggressive here. With a sell limit, maybe? Maybe. Little bit aggressive. I think this is a manipulative beginning of the week. Yeah, we need the New York session. Definitely we need that. So I think the New York session, definitely the New York sessions are always better in this case. Wow, look at that. Unfortunately, I'm not triggered into this trade. Missed my entry with one tick. Missed my entry with one tick, guys. What a shame. Well, we do have a displacement, which is still good. I just don't know where can it go. $87. Actually, that's not bad. Actually, it's not so bad. Let's see if it wants to reprice that level up there. On the 32nd. I've observed that if there's a gap, there's a very good market in the, yeah. I was not pulled into this trade as well, so it is what it is. But it seems like for now we are making lower lows, approaching that new week opening gap down there. Plus 80. Oh, nice. That was a quick push down, yeah. But congratulations. Still no pullback. I mean, no retracement up to this level above the 86.75. Maybe I can get tagged in somewhere around here. I don't know. I'm not modifying the entry for now. Could be. I don't know. Okay, now I'm in. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna target the 80.25. How about that? The risk to reward is not good. I have to go lower than that. Let me check it. Even lower. Lower to 78.25 maybe. 78.50. Seems like it's gonna take me out sooner than that. All right. $78.50 should be good. If this one wants to go lower. The thing is that we still have a gap up there. Above this swing, above 92 on the 30-second chart. So that is something I don't like. Maybe more downside. I do like this one to drop down to exactly to the 75s, but there is one more gap up there and right at my stop. So I might have to wait more. And if it takes my stop out, then I still need to wait for a new structure to form. Yeah, the 5-minute doesn't. I don't like that 5-minute wick as well. A little bit of a dirty price action, that's for sure. Even for scalpers, I mean, pretty bad. Pretty bad. Yeah, unfortunate. I was up about $60 or $70 and now I'm down $66. What a crazy price action, guys. Absolutely no direction, no clean direction or whatsoever. Huge indecisions. And now it's just going up again. This was a fake out. Oh man, this was a fake. I'm gonna watch this one on the 1 minute for now, and let's see. Typical fake out, yeah. We still have these highs at 901. Yeah, it could be fueling up. It could be. Now it's taking that 901, and there is no shift. I mean, there is a shift down there. Is it gonna go? Hold on. Yeah. Okay, it's taking out that high. But this was a nice liquidity sweep. Exactly. This was a very, very, very nice liquidity sweep. Anyway, I dedicated this account for aggressive scalping, just to see how far can I go with it. And we all like if we have more action, right? Well, the 10 and the 15 is it's maybe a little bit too much for me to take. You think NQ test 18K today? It could be. I mean, I guess all the retail traders, including myself, everybody wants to go for that new week opening gap. So squeeze everyone out above 968 towards the 18K could be a possibility here. But what a move here. Interesting. Well, it's pretty much a little bit of a weird London session, but could be going higher. We have some nice levels at 911 and 913, 911 and above. We have some small gaps at 915 as potential areas. Yeah, I know, Naz. More aggressive would be no, I'm not taking I mean, I'm waiting for a setup of course, but again, I started out this almost sneezed. I started out this trade on this day on a new Apex account, 50K Apex account, and now I'm down $66. So I'm not really in here to mess up totally, but the goal of this session was to scalp a little bit more and a little bit aggressively. This one, I think it wants to go higher. We have a small gap on the 30-second. So I might go aggressive again right now to enter to a possible long. Yeah, this one here. Trying to go above those levels to that fair value gap. I don't know. It's aggressive, I know. Entry was 905. If it gets back below 98.25, then just have to wait for the next one, I guess. Just have to wait for the next one. Then I will leave this account for now. I'm not going to force this account into more crazy trades. I'm not copy trading this one. God forbid. ICT is the same as technical analysis, only it's called marketing. If you look it up, it's the same as technical analysis, except for false breakout. Yeah. Yeah, we were talking about this, Josef. I was also talking about this and others on the streams lately in the past few weeks, that ICT also says, I respect him for his teachings, but he also said, I mean, he says that he invented all these stuff in 96, but there is clean evidence that in the 80s and the early 90s, even in the 70s, there are books and lectures about these gaps and false breakouts and order blocks and stuff like that. So he just repackaged it, and he was very smart doing it. He did it very smart. But yeah, that's a good thing. He was smart. He's a very good marketer. He makes a lot of money from his YouTube, I'm guessing, which is great. Trading wise, I don't know. We don't have hard evidence about his track record, but I'm 1000% sure that he's not going to win the Robbins Cup. I mean, that's one of the surefire. I mean, that's like one of the things in life that I'm 100% sure that he's not going to win the Robbins Cup. Well, only the YouTube videos, and there was his paid membership course a few years ago, which is the same as on YouTube. Yeah, I mean, he had a course. He was selling it for, I don't know. It wasn't cheap. It was like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, few $1,000s. He was selling it, and he had a lot of students. He also said that he made millions of dollars from his students. He never denied it. I don't know what he's doing, but I always like to listen to his lectures and teachings, and I like his videos, despite the fact that it's just repackaged old stuff. I like his videos very much. I respect him as a teacher, but so I'm not saying that kind of bad things about him, because I do I'm very grateful for a lot of his teachings, but I'm 1000% sure that he's not going to win the Robbins Cup. That's not even a question on my end. And there is no track record of him anywhere on the internet except that Robbins Cup earlier a few years ago that he blew up, and he said that he blew up the account because he didn't wanted anyone to copy trade him. And that's a very shady excuse, I think. I mean, you could just, you know, simply say that, hey, I couldn't trade because I was mentally stressed and I blew the account. There's no shame in that, I think. But he said he blew the account on purpose because he didn't wanted anyone to copy trade him. So, anyway. No offense. I think he's a genuine guy. He is a very good teacher. Kind of messed up that ICT concepts ignore supply and demand zones, and he says there is no such, I mean, yeah. At least Rexis is better than market makers. Oh yeah, last time when he was saying that the market makers took him out, that was, I mean, I said, bro, come on, you know, you can't be serious about that. The market makers moved the market for ICT's stops. That was a little bit, you know, that was a little bit too much for me too. But anyway, that was a little bit too much for me as well. I mean, I still respect him as a teacher, but man, saying like something like that, the market makers took me out to get the stops. Anyway. Yeah. I can't trade. Yeah, there's many versions of what ICT means. I don't know. Some of his lectures I do liked it. I did like it. So most likely about the mental aspect and the psychology. I did like it very much. But I am 10,000% sure that he is not going to win Robbins Cup, and I think he's definitely not nearly as good as not nearly as a good trader as he claims to be. But you know, I think it just has to do something about his ego or pride or whatever. But anyway. Long CL 83. Let's check it. Oh wow, look at this. 8320. No way, dude. You caught it right at the neck. Oh my god, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful long. Congratulations. Nice one. Nice one. And I'm stuck here again. I'm gonna be taken out. What a crazy price action again. Yeah, I'm out. It's not good. Just not working out as it should. if I look at the 5-minute, well, the 5-minute looks good for a long, but we have that long wick down there. If you look at the 5-minute here, we have this possible gap to go long. The only thing I don't like on this 5-minute is that this pin bar with the long wick. That could be something. So let me check something. Looking for shorts on gold. Well, you know, if we broke this structure here on the 5-minute, that would be awesome. But I'm not really into gold right now, but just wait for a structure shift. It looks good for a short. On the long side, I don't know. It's hard to tell. I'm a little bit disappointed right now about this, especially right now as I see it go to my original direction. But what can I say? What can I do? Nothing. Yeah, I understand. I understand this. I'm gonna try it later. This account is again. This is gonna be for scalping purposes. Yeah. All right. Let's see what goes on. But I must say, it's definitely a tricky session in London right now. I thought we are gonna have a much cleaner price action, but I mean, there was, to be honest, there was here. this short. That was actually a clean trade. Then there was a long from here, which actually failed, that I could have taken. Yeah, very lame London session. Also wanted to go long oil, but waited. Yeah, seems like two wrong lessons are being learned from ICT. Well, this is not an ICT entry that I scalped. If that's and NQ struggling to go up, some bears, yeah. Typical Monday. There were two clean long setup. Yeah, there was one here, which would ended up in a stop here, and there was another one here, which would be in profit right now. So this should be taking out the 14 maybe. I mean the classic entry, I'm just saying. So liquidity sweep here, one, and another one on the 1 minute here with that entry on that gap. And there was one here, that was a short. So this was a short, that was a clean. There was a long here, long here. That would be in the profit still. You know, but again, I told you guys, this was scalping. This was nothing to do with my original trading style. Maybe we will have a shift again, but yeah, so if I would have entered here, stop there, let me check. On the classic entry, stop would have been down there. 1 to 2 risk to reward. Should be almost in profit. I mean full profit. Okay. I think it just poked into that level up there. Now let's see if it wants to return back down. Doesn't really look like it wants to. Actually, it looks like it wants to go higher. Just looking, where can it go? It can continue to reprice all the way to the 18. Maybe that 1 minute gap. So about 15.50 should we go, or maybe go for the 20 again? But if not, then it should go all the way down to take out the 5-minute pin bar. Yeah, I get it, Naz. Yeah. No, I get it. I get it. Secret sauce. I get it what you mean. I'm gonna look into that. Hey, Husk Trader, do you have better? No, I don't. I'm actually a terrible scalper. Good to see you there, Husk Trader. How's it going? I'm actually always messing up everything when I scalp. So I told this many times as well. I mean, I can't. That's why, I mean, Methodical Man, the way he does it, I don't know. I also wrote him the other day, the way that he does his entries, it's awesome. And I know that he also doesn't really like to spend too much time in the trade. So yeah. I wish I could be able, I mean, I would be able or could be able to hold my trades the way like that. Good, very good. Good to hear that. Plus 270 getting choppy. Yeah, this is definitely getting to very, very choppy. And if it turns around, we go back to 97 or even lower to take out that wick on the 5-minute. Scalping needs a faster market. Slow markets are deadly for scalp or to scalp. Yes, I have to agree with you there. As far as I'm looking for anything else, maybe there's going to be a change in the trend soon, but nothing so far. The London session is definitely a little bit sketchy right now. I was expecting more, to be honest, from this London session, but scalping needs a faster market, yeah. No, no, no. I'm absolutely fine, Naz. Yeah, I get it. I get it. That's why I'm just waiting to see some clean price movement here, but everything just slowed down. It seems like it for me. I mean, now it feels like it just wants to return down below 97. At least that's how it feels like it. Oh, look at that. Might be going for those highs. Once again. I don't know. My stop is 97. Hope it doesn't come there. Well, yeah, we have a lot of news this week, so hopefully be able to grab some very good trades, and maybe less of these kind of price action in the future. But yeah, this market is not good. Ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. So all we can do is just wait. Oh man, it's boring. Nothing is happening. Yeah, it's really bad. Hello there. Good morning. Hello A. Received email from my friend to pay 100 for activation. Oh yeah, if you pass the account, then yes, you have to activate it. Oh, wow, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Is that depends on which kind of account. Is this an expert account? Is this a starter? Did you buy it during the sale period? Or, you know, because if that's a starter account, and except if that's a 150k account, that's a little bit high. So, but I think if you write to support, they will compensate it. Starter, yes, I did buy it during sales. Okay, so if it's 150k starter account, then the activation fee is still 150k, 50k. Okay, then you should just open a support ticket, or if you go to the activation tab where you have to pay, check if there's a coupon. If you enter, you can use my code as well. If you enter my code as a coupon code, maybe it will give you a discount, right? Or if there's no such area there to enter a coupon code, then raise a support ticket and they're going to correct the bill for you. I'm 100% sure that one of those two should be working out. So go to the checkout page and check for coupon codes and type in tomsabo. Yeah, no problem there. And if it's not working or there's no coupon area there, definitely send the support ticket. I'm sure they're going to send you the correct email. All right, just a quick phone call. I'm sorry, everyone. It was a long phone call, but nothing happened. But nothing happened, I see that now. London session is still very, 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 very choppy. Oh, man. Well, not much to do. Nasdaq is pretty much turned off again. There is, look at that. Now we have a little bit of a displacement here again. Is this going to be enough? Who knows? Could be. On the 5 minute, it looks like we could be going for that wick at 82. This could be good for a drop, a continuation to go down 82, maybe 84. Yeah, that's something I'm planning to do. Oh, you managed to activate it. Nice. Congratulations, Prasad. It was automatic? Oh, okay. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. The discount. When I click the activate button in my email, it went directly to payment. Oh, nice. All right, so 50. There you go. $50 for activation. I'm glad. I'm glad it worked out. Well, guys, as Mesopeti said, I think I am going to take a walk and not going to stare at the charts. Maybe New York is going to bring something better. I'm willing to scalp a little bit more on this account, and we'll see how it goes. Guys, I'm going to cut it at this point and coming back to the New York session. So stay tuned for later. It was a great session. Although I messed up a little bit with the scalps, but I enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support the stream, please use my links and codes. Subscribe, and guys, see you in the New York session. Thank you so much for being here. Cheers, everyone.